Come on, GK, settle down. Try to behave civilized for a change.
What are you kidding? This is 45, man. Man. Come on.
Yeah, friends and neighbors, Santa Claus came a little early for the JSP this year.
So, GSP, you got Christmas lights on your place?
Well, let me just say, the lights just came on.
You got Christmas lights on your roof line?
Just on the inside of my brain.
That's the pills, dude.
Oh, no, man, I don't do pills. Come on now.
Hey, funny. Oh, you're funny.
Don't, I can't, man. I'm supposed to keep the pills from getting in the people.
That's good.
I'm the last line of defense, GK.
You're not self-medicating?
Hell no, man. Are you kidding me? You know what kind of Celestron telescope they got stuck up my ass, dude?
Oh, probably a C-14, man, but that didn't help you.
It's all pending, dude.
When's it going to be resolved? Oh, man, tell us. Tell us frequency. We want to know.
It's pending litigation, dude.
What are you doing in the meantime?
Pray.
We're going to, like, Ralph's or something? Well, just, if all you can do is pray, then pray you must.
Yeah, man, I'm being serious, You just, just lawyer up and fucking knuckle down.
Well, some serious shit. I mean, fuck, man. I mean, that's a large case history.
Ever, including now, that's like clean record.
What's that? I think Danny jammed you. Say again?
34 years clean record, man, including now. That's all they got. That they're in for a fight.
Man, I read the shit. Well, that's your business, and it's none of my business. I'll just leave that alone.
Oh my.
The shopping extravaganza is now complete.
Faith, we're so proud of you in completing your mission.
And I called ahead of time for reservations because every place we went, walked in, got what we want, walked out, no waiting, no line, nothing.
How's the economy looking out there, Faith? What's your prognosis? Prognostication.
What is it with chicks and shopping? I mean, I swear to God, man.
People are dropping money out there left and right. And they ain't be using no cards either, man. People be cashing and dropping cash, man.
Well, that's what I like to hear.
What is it with chicks and shopping? I don't get the allure, Mark. I mean, you don't go shopping on Black Friday.
Well, no, dude, my lawyer probably does.
Yeah, relax, GK, relax.
Oh,
yeah, Faith, yeah, give me input. What you doing?
Just hanging out at the kitchen now. What's up with you?
just got back from Black Friday shopping. We started out at, well, actually, we went last night to Toys R Us at 11 o'clock. And then came home after that extravaganza. Slept for a couple hours, got up. Went out again at 5 o'clock this morning. It's now 12:30. We're done. Been grocery shopping and everything, man. It's all done.
Did you get anything good?
Uh-huh.
When Black Friday comes. That's a Steely Dan song.
What did you get, Sanchez?
Fucking bag of coal.
Like a dog shit, huh? Bag bag of dog shit lit on fire on his front porch?
Yeah, just a big bag full of black coal.